Hey guys, it's Marissa again. So I thought since I shared with you Time to Shine, I figured let me show you the best day ever. So this is one of Kiwi Lane's pocket page kits, and let me show you what's in it, and I think you will like it, especially with summer coming up. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of layouts out there that you could use this for. Of course, this is a pocket page kit, so you'll see a lot of cards, and I'm not saying you can't use it for regular layouts, because sweethearts, you can. So best day ever. So at the back of the cover page is this beautiful yellow paper. So let's start off with the 3.5 by 4, and let me show you cards. So here's another. Maybe it should go this way. Of course, the orientation is really up to you how you want it done, but our everyday life is right here. And then of course, question mark, and the back is the basic paper. She believed, I cannot read anymore. She believed she could, so she did. Behind, nothing compares to the simple pleasures of a bike ride. Wow, I haven't had ridden a bike for a while now. And then of course, this is another card, journaling card right there again, and an idea card. This is such a fun kit. I am so in love with this kit. So, and then another journaling card right there, and then basic background cards, and then of course smile every day, every minute if you can. And then another, you could use this as a journaling card, or you could put elements behind it. And of course there's the journey. Be brave, be strong, be adventurous, and enjoy the ride. Okay, the 4x4s. We have this card, and at the back of this card, what a great day. Oh, this got mixed in. This is a 3x4 card, obviously. You plus me equals us. 4x4 cards. Looks like you could use that as a journaling card. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. And then, of course, the bike. Now we're into the 4x6s, and you have a journaling card here. You can do it this way, or orient it this way. And of course, you can orient this way, or you can orient it that way, whichever you think will look good with your pictures. Another basic card, you could put that little title there or a little caption over there. And bikes, bikes, bikes. And another journaling card. Live in the moment, people. Another journaling card. And then life is a collection of moments. 8x6 cards, or you can cut this down. You can have it as a 4x6 cards. I like that one. It's simple, and yet you can add more stuff to that, elements. Cut out a tiny template. Again, another one, you can do it this way, cut it up, and then same thing with this. Cut it down this way, you can orient it this way, you can orient the arrow, whichever way you want to orient it. And then of course, this is going to be a basic card that you could use later. This is a 4x12. Yes, I can now measure and talk about 4x12 cards now. Again, you can cut this in half. They're basic papers. Pretty much most of them are basic papers. That's 2, and I think there's 6 in here. Oh, I like this bike one. And really basic. Think about Disney. You can use this for Disney, for the Disney, your Disney papers. My gosh, I'm a fan of Disney. And then finally, then you have the 12x6 papers. Of course, you can do a lot of stuff with this paper. So look at all this backgrounds that you have. I like that there's a lot of background papers that you could use. I'm sorry. To use your templates with. And then here's the last one. And there you go, arrows. I loved arrows. Anyway, so that's it, folks. If you like this video and you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. And yes, I still have my bandage there. Like this video and please subscribe. So thank you, and yeah, make sure you share this video too, and let your friends know. And so yeah, I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.